Bill, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yeah, our lady's been living with me for like 12 years.
All right.
And if I die before she does, I want to protect her so she's got a place to live.
Okay.
And is there a way I can do that without a bunch of taxes and probate and?
There certainly is, Bill, and it depends on what level of rights you want to give her. One level, maybe the easiest level, would be that you would give her what's called a life estate. With a life estate, she would have the use and benefit of the property for the rest of her life, and only upon her death would this home go somewhere else, like to your children. Bill, that would allow her to live in a home or, in fact, live somewhere else and rent it out and collect the rents. It would also make her responsible for pay taxes, insurance, maintenance, and mortgage payments. Now, Bill, there is some risk with that, and that is that she may abuse and not take care of the property, and now your kid's got to sit around and wait to get this piece of destructed property somewhere down the road. Bill, if that does not give you a comfort level, another way to do it would be to create some kind of living trust where your kids would be responsible for managing the property and letting her use it as long as she maintains it and takes care of it. So it could be yanked out from her if she doesn't maintain it.
Well, she has a daughter, and it would go to her.
Well, then she would be motivated to take care of it. So, Bill, I would recommend that you would do a deed called a life estate deed. It would state that upon your death, it would automatically go to her. No headaches, no hassles, no probate. Bill, I'd be pleased to assist you with that if you want to give me a call.